What's going on, everybody? Curtis here with Kurt's Garage. I'm currently in Tennessee right now, visiting some family and friends. And my valve cover gasket on the Highlander, it's an 08 Toyota Highlander. It is the V6 four-wheel drive. It has the 2gr-fe. And I stopped because I was burning some oil, so I figured I'd just stop and I would get some valve cover gaskets, and I'd do that real quick. And I didn't think it was going to be anything big, so I didn't even bother recording until I got into it. And here is one of the most common issues with these 2GRs. So right down here, get a light, you can see that right there is these are the variable valve timing cam gears. And this one, there's you can buy it, it's a bolt with a retainer. It looks similar to that one right over there. And what happened here was this popped out. Let me see if I can get light on it. There we go. So that popped out. You can see right where it's supposed to be, that ring, and you can see where it is now, almost right up against the head. So everything else looks quite okay. Little slop in the timing chains, but that's to be expected. The timing chains has never been replaced on this car, and it has 225,000 miles, I believe. So everything else looks good. All the cams, they look to be wearing all right. So I plan on pulling the motor out of this and still doing the timing chain, everything, and replacing the cam gears with the revised cam gears, where these ones lose oil and get a what is known as a chatter. And also that right there is also another issue. So I'm gonna be doing that on both sides, but in order to do that, you got to pull the whole motor out. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you know what's going on. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comments down below.